What if I told you one of the most surgical vault jobs in history started with a locksmith in a stolen blueprint from a trash can? Los Angeles, 1972, United California Bank in Laguna Niguel, a reinforced vault built to survive an earthquake and a robbery. A Cleveland thief named Emil Dincio studies it from 2,000 miles away. He reads public filings and learns about Nixon campaign money. His crew flies in under fake names, rents a condo up the hill, spends nights watching guard routes and police patrols. A locksmith quietly copies a branch key from a manager's car using a clay impression. They buy dynamite under the guise of well digging, drill into the bank roof on a stormy weekend. Rain covers the noise. They climb down with ropes, plastic sheeting, and a homemade stethoscope for the inner vault. Instead of using the front door, they attack the vault ceiling with explosives and tiny charges, avoiding seismic alarms. Inside, they torch open safety deposit boxes, pull out cash, bearer bonds, jewelry, roughly $9 million. They wipe surfaces with ammonia, burn clothes and tools in a rented car they abandon. The FBI is stuck until agents spot a tiny mistake in Ohio. A relative deposits crisp bills wrapped in California bank bands. Forensic accountants trace the serials, match them to emergency shipments. Agents pull hotel records, car rentals, airline manifests. In Dincio's hometown, they find a storage unit with a drill with concrete dust and a map with a pin in Laguna Niguel. One by one, the crew is picked up, phone records, receipts, fingerprints on a dynamite box. In court, prosecutors walk the jury through the planning, the copy key, the rooftop entry, the precise explosives that avoided alarms. Dincio gets decades in federal prison. Only part of the money is recovered. The suspected Nixon slush funds are never officially confirmed. The most dangerous weapon is not a gun or a mask, but a man who studies your building codes, your trash, and your roof until your earthquake-proof vault opens like a tin can in the dark.